Next, we have something, I'll save those two. Something else for the men. This is called Max Life Prostate Care. I want to make sure I said it absolutely right. Max Life Prostate Care. Now, ladies, just as most men have no clue about what's going on with your bodies during that time of the month, I've learned a lot because I've been doing this now for about a year. I've been listening to women, and women have been surprised at what they've told me and the feedback they've gotten from me and the suggestions they've gotten from me as well. Now, as men get older, ladies, they sometimes have a problem with their prostate, and that's also part of their reproductive tract. And you've heard of prostate cancer. This has beta-sterocytol in it, and it has more than what's the major brand that's on the market. It has twice as much as that, and this is all natural. It's not man-made. Remember, these are 2-month supplies. All right. Now, here we have some very interesting products. Does anybody remember the song by Sade, "Sweetest Taboo"? This is called Sweetness. This is called Taboo. These are marital aids, sexual enhancements, or whatever you may want to call them. This one is for her. It helps to relax her and does some other things. This is a G-rated show, so I can't go into too much detail. But ladies, this is for you. You know, I guess this would be equivalent to the little blue pill for the ladies. And this is for the men, and it's called Taboo. And like I said, this would be equivalent to that blue pill for the men to give him, what's that word, verm and vigor back in his sexual energy. I got to pick my words carefully because I don't know where this video is going to end up. So, a line of nutraceuticals, all natural. This company is about health and about health and helping you. Now, let's put this over here. Let me go back to this one right here. Gentlemen, I hope you hung around. Ladies, if you have any men in your life, you want to tell them about this. This is the Max Life Prostate Care. They have a campaign for men called The Right to Fight. And that is to fight what? Fight prostate cancer. So that is what this natural ingredient helps to do, is to fight against prostate cancer. Just as you women have the Now We Know campaign, the men have a campaign called The Right to Fight. Now, with the Now We Know campaign, this is what I want to tell you. Now, it's just not a words campaign. They had their first 5K run this past summer and down in Atlanta. I believe you'll see a clip of that on my website as well. And what they'll do, they'll have 5K runs, biking events, picnics, basketball tournaments, you name it, bowling tournaments, get-togethers, all type of things like that to get women together to raise their awareness about the harmful effects of the chemicals that are out there in their pads and tampons, because women need to know so they can say no to the trash that's on the shelf. Now, you can see now why I'm so passionate about it. If you were on here before, you know, I used to do a live, and I still do from time to time, called It's Your Health, Do Something. This is one of the series in that. And I have my own website all about health and nutrition. If you'd like some information on that, just inbox me and I'll send you that information as well. And let's see, there was something else I wanted to tell you. Oh yeah, some people may want to do this as a business. It is very simple. It is $35 for the entire year to be a distributor. Let me repeat that. $35 for the entire year, not month, not weekly, for the year. $35 for the entire year to be a distributor with Inspire Network. And with that, you get the website, you get 2 websites, matter of fact, and you get your back office. Everything is done and tracked electronically. And there's training, there's videos, there's a bunch of Facebook groups we get in for free training. And let's see what else you get. There is so much. Well, You can earn commissions for those who are interested, and you get paid 6 different ways. And then you'll find that on my website as well. So go to wetdrytest.com. Go to wetdrytest.com. Look at the video, fill out the information. There's a form below the video on my wetdrytest.com site, and you'll be able to see all the information. You'll be able to see a compensation plan. You'll be able to see, like I said, all this information. Are there any questions? Are there any questions? I see a whole bunch of people have joined, but I don't see any questions yet. I'm opening it up. Hey, Cider. Hey, Michael, Sylvia, Chiquita. I'm opening it up now for any questions, any Q&A. Does anybody have any questions before I get ready to wrap this up? Oh, let me not forget. Like I said, the company was recently interviewed with Kathy Ireland. You know, that is no small feat, ladies and gentlemen.